Hello guys, today we are going to learn how to install WordPress on your local PC step by step without even missing just a step. And I hope at the end of these tutorials you should be able to install this WordPress application here on your local PC, whereby you can learn how to use a WordPress website without the internet. What amazing! So now before we start, we need two applications here. We need one, a WordPress application, and we need application that we call Xampp. So now let me get into my softwares to show you something here. Softwares. So now I have my Xampp application software here. One is here, and we have a WordPress software too also here. And these two softwares, by the help of www.getintomypc.com, you can download WordPress over there, and also it is free. It is not, you are not going to buy, you are not going to pay for anything. WordPress is free. Thanks be to WordPress developers. And the Xampp application also here is also free. By the help of www.getintomypc.com, you can download these two softwares for free. So now after downloading it, is going to be like this, the WordPress. So you have to extract the WordPress here. So you right click on the mouse and you go to open, and before going to open, you can extract it here. That is extract files, and extract it here. So now we're going to extract the WordPress, and after extracting it, let me show you how it's going to look like. So after extracting it, the WordPress is going to be like this. Let me open it where you see it well. So here is how it's going to be. That is after downloading it and extracting it, you are going to see it in this format. So let me close it and go to the Xampp application I was talking about. So here is the Xampp application. You can download this one too from www.getintomypc.com. That one too is for free. So after this, you have to install it on your machine. So I right click on my mouse and you go to open, then you follow the steps or the procedures, but make sure that you are going to install the Xampp application on your local DC. So now I've already installed it, so there is no need of installing it again. So now I'm going to pause the video for some while to wait for you to go to online and install the WordPress and also the Xampp application, and then I'll continue. Now welcome back. I hope you guys have installed the WordPress application, have downloaded the WordPress application, sorry for that, and also downloaded and installed the Xampp application. And you see, after installing the Xampp application, one thing that you may know to be sure that you have installed it is that when you come to my PC and you go to the local DC, if indeed you selected the local DC to be installed on it, then you double click on it, you will see a Xampp folder created on your local DC. So here is it. Let me open it for you to see. So here is the Xampp application, proving that you have installed it on your PC. So now let us start the game. I hope you guys are following it step by step without even missing a step. So let me close it. So after we have installed our Xampp application and also have extracted our WordPress application here, the next thing that we are going to do is that you will come to the start button here, and the start button here, you are going to search for Xampp control panel, the one that you installed. So we cannot be going through this for a long time before seeing Xampp application. Yes, we can use it, and you see the Xampp application. Let me go down, Xampp application. If I will see it there, yes. So you can see that we have Xampp here. You click on it and you will see Xampp control panel here. You click on it, and the control panel is going to open for you. So now, after the control panel has been opened for us, we can decide to pin it on the taskbar. Pin it here so that you see it always, even after closing it. The control panel will still be on the taskbar, so there is no need of going to the start button here and be searching it for a long time, for that will waste time. But if you pin it on the taskbar here by right clicking on it, if you right click on it, as you see, I've already my own, you see that it is already being pinned in the taskbar. So if I want to unpin it, which means to remove it on the taskbar, then I will click on it and it will be removed. The same time, if you want to pin it, you right click on the mouse, and here the unpin will be pinned it on the taskbar. Then you click on it and it will be pinned on it. So now let's come to the Xampp control panel. So here what you are going to do is that you are going to turn on, we have the Apache here, my SQL here. These two things are the things that we are going to do. We are going to use it. So we are going to start on, click on start to turn on the Apache, and since we are also going to use my SQL, we click on start also to turn that one to on. Now we can see that the Apache and then my SQL, both of them are working now. So you minimized the control button, the Xampp control panel. Then you can use any browser that you have installed it on your machine. So I have Mozilla Firefox and Internet Explorer also here, but I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox. So let us launch our web browser. So let's wait for it to boot, or for it to be launched, or for it to be open. So now that we are waiting for our web browser to be opened, yes, so now let me open it large for you to see. So now in the address bar here, then type localhost. So now after typing localhost, you press enter. Now you will go to PHP my admin, you click on it. Sorry for the delay of my machine. I have a lot of applications running on machine. That is why my machine is not running fast. A lot of them. So sorry for that. So now that our my PHP admin has been opened, you go to, you click on database here. We are going to create a database. So then database name, you type there, you click on it, and you give any name of your choice, the database, any name. So now I'm assuming, let me call this one here just data. So data will be the name of our database. Then you click on create. So you can see that the database has been created. You can see it from here. That is the data. So after this, you click on, there is a symbol here like home, home like a house. You click on that symbol here, and after that we are going to create a new user account. So you bring your cursor to the user account, you click on it, and now you scroll down here. You will see that we have add user account. You click on add user account, and now we are going to create a new user account. So here you give a name to your user account. So for example, I name the database data. So let me name this one to info, or let me go for a short name like go, to be the name of the user account. So the host name too, you select local, and the password, you can decide to leave that place blank, or you can type in the password of your choice. So let me type in the password, and you repeat same password to here. So now you leave this place, and you make sure that you have checked all of them. So you click on check all, then after that you come down here, you click on go. So now you can see very good, you have added a new user account. For us to see it well, let's click on user account here. All good. So the name that we gave it to our user account here was go. So you see it here, go localhost. There is a password, yes, and all privileges. So now we have created our database to be this data, our user account here to be go. So now you will come to the address bar, you click there, you clean everything there, and type but before that, sorry for that, you come to that one. Before that, let's minimize it and come to our WordPress software here. So you click on it, then you can use the Ctrl+C to copy, or you right click on it and you copy the WordPress from here, then go to my PC, and since it was being stored on your local disk C, you double click on it, you go to the Xampp folder being created there. Here we have ht dot, you click on the ht dot, then we paste our WordPress, the one that you copy it here, you paste it here. So now it is loading to paste it here. So let's wait for it to be pasted here and continue from here. And I hope you guys, you are following everything step by step, no escaping a step, because these tutorials have taken my time so that you'll be able to install WordPress on your local PC. It's very simple, very understandable. So do well and complete with me. If there is any question or anything that you don't understand, you can write it as a comment for me, and I'll be very happy to assist you. So now let's continue. Now that it has finished copying it, so we have pasted our WordPress here. That is our local disk C, Xampp folder, then under ht dots. So we have our WordPress here. So now we can close this and come to our web browser, or even we can close this one here, then you launch the web browser again. Now we have our web browser here. So in the address bar, type localhost / you see the in the Xampp folder, the hard disk C here, I come to the Xampp folder here, ht dots. So here the WordPress that we copied and pasted here, the name given to it was WordPress. So that will be the name that we are going to type in as the website name. If here was supposed to be maybe my website, then it's going to be localhost my website. But because here is a WordPress, the name here is WordPress. So we are also going to type that name there to be WordPress. Good. So we have our WordPress here. So then we press enter. So I want you guys to take notice of it. For example, you can give a different name to it, and make sure that you type a localhost plus that name given to it. My own, it was a WordPress, that is why it was localhost / the WordPress, and then it will lead me here. So now, very good, it means that our WordPress has been connected with the database that we created within my PHP admin. So now we click on let's go. So now it's asking us about the database name. And the database name here, if you remember, I name it to be data, type data there, and it's asking us the username. The username here is a name given to the user account that we created. So that one too, I name it to be go. So type what? Go here. Then the password here, don't forget the password that when created a user account name, password that you typed there. But if in case you not type any password there, here you can type any password of your choice. And since we typed a particular password there, try to repeat the same password also here. So I'm going to repeat it here. So there is the password that I typed over there when creating a user, the new user account. So now here is supposed to be the localhost. Do not do anything to it. Here to do not touch it. Then we click on submit. Very good. And you can see, all right, Sparky, you have made it through this part of the installation. WordPress can now communicate with your database. If you are ready, type now to. So now WordPress has been connected to our database. So now we are now going to run the WordPress installation. So you click on run the installation. Very good. So now we have a small filling to fill. So now the site title, the website that you are about to create, what is the title of it? Okay, my own will be my school. My school, that will be the website name. And the username here, you can name it, let me name it to be Westman, to be my username. That will be the name on my control panel, or I'm going to use the login, or you can type in admin as a user name. Here we're going to change, sorry for that, I made a mistake over there. So let's start everything. It was my school. That will be my website name. And here the username here will be admin. Now let me hide it and type my password here. Here it can be any password of your choice. It's not going to be the password you use it in the database or creating in the new user account. Yes, confirm with password. Then you type your email over here. So I'm going to type an email over here. After that, you click on install WordPress. So I hope you guys are following it step by step. It's not difficult at all. Sorry, as I already said, my PC, my machine is has a lot of application running on it, so it's running very slow. So we are now installing the WordPress on our machine. Okay. Let's wait a little bit and see. Okay, let me refresh it. Okay, so now, yes, you made it through. You appear to have already installed WordPress. So then let's log in and see if indeed. Okay, so the username I used was admin, and you type in your password that you used, then log in. See, very good. Now congratulations, you have installed the WordPress on your local disk, your local PC. So now let me run the view the home page for us to see. Good. So now there's our WordPress my school. So congratulations to you all guys. So I hope this tutorial has been useful to you. Have a nice day. If in case there's any problem, do not hesitate to leave your comments for me to see, and I will attend to you shortly. But do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day for my next tutorials. Thank you.